Hi dear children, welcome back to our chemistry class. Last class what we study? Valencies of some elements. Okay. So this class we are going to discuss about how to write the molecular formula of the compound. I hope all of you study the symbols and the valencies of elements. How to write the molecular formula of sodium chloride? We can split into two, sodium and chloride. Chloride means chlorine. Okay, oxide, oxygen. Fluoride, fluorine. Okay, nitride, that is nitrogen. Is it clear now? Chloride, chlorine. Fluoride, fluorine. Oxide, oxygen. So, which are the elements? Which are the constituent elements present in sodium chloride? Sodium and chlorine. Is it clear now? Sodium and chlorine. So symbol of sodium Na. Symbol of chlorine Cl. So we can write here under that sodium valency. What is the valency of sodium? 1. What is the valency of chlorine? 1. Cross multiply. That is the valency of chlorine we can write under the subscript of sodium. So Na1. Okay. Sodium valency we should write under the subscript of chlorine Cl1. Same valency. Okay, both are 1. No needed. We can cancel each other. So the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Is it clear? Formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Once again, I will tell. Sodium and chlorine is the constituent elements. So, the symbol of sodium is Na. Symbol of chlorine is Cl. Okay. Valency of sodium 1. Valency of chlorine 1. Cross multiply. So, valency of sodium we should write under the subscript of chlorine. And valency of chlorine we should write under the subscript of sodium. So, the same valency we can cancel. Okay, so the formula of sodium chloride is NaCl. Next example, calcium chloride. Which are the elements present in here? Calcium and chlorine. Calcium and chlorine. So, calcium symbol Ca. Chloride means that is chlorine. So, chlorine symbol Cl. Calcium valency 2. Calcium valency 2. What is the valency of chlorine? 1. What is the valency of chlorine? 1. Cross multiply. That is valency of calcium. That is we can join with each other. Join to write the calcium Cl. Okay. So calcium valency 2. We should write under the subscript of chlorine. Okay. Calcium valency 2. We should write under the subscript of chlorine. Chlorine valency 1. We should write under the subscript of calcium. So Ca1Cl2. 1 is not needed to write. That is understood. 1 is the refill. Nothing is there. That means 1. So the formula of calcium chloride is CaCl2. CaCl2. Is it clear now? Next example, magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Magnesium oxide. Which are the elements present here? Magnesium is the oxide means oxygen. Symbol of magnesium Mg. Symbol of oxide that is oxygen 2. Okay, symbol of oxygen that is O. So, what is the valency of magnesium? 2. Valency of oxygen? 2. Valency of magnesium? 2. Valency of oxygen? 2. Then cross multiply. Cross multiply. So, here magnesium oxide. Okay. Magnesium oxide. So, valency of magnesium we should write under the subscript of oxygen. Okay. Valency of oxygen we should write under the subscript of magnesium 2. Same valency we can cancel. So, the formula of magnesium oxide is MgO. Is it clear? Magnesium oxide formula MgO. Next example, write calcium carbonate. calcium carbonate. Calcium carbonate. So which are the elements is there? Calcium is there. Which compound is there? Carbonate is there. So calcium symbol Ca. Carbonate CO3. Carbonate CO3. So calcium valency 2. Carbonate valency 2. Cross multiply. So calcium valency, calcium and carbonate we can join together and we can write like this way. So first calcium valency 2 under the subscript of carbonate. So carbonate. So put in the bracket. Okay, first you put in the bracket. Because calcium valency is needed for this carbon and oxygen. Okay, കാൽഷ്യത്തിന്റെ വാലൻസി 2 എന്ന് പറയുന്നത് ഈ കാർബണേറ്റിന് മൊത്തം വേണം. അവിടെ കാർബണേറ്റിൽ ആരുണ്ട്? കാർബൺ ഉണ്ട്, ഓക്സിജൻ ഉണ്ട്. സോ കാർബണേറ്റിനെ മൊത്തമായി നമ്മളൊരു ബ്രാക്കറ്റ് ഇട്ട് അതിന് പുറത്താണ് എന്ത് എഴുതുന്നത്? 2 എഴുതുക. കാൽഷ്യത്തിന്റെ വാലൻസി എഴുതേണ്ടത്. ഇറ്റ് ക്ലിയർ? അവിടെ നിങ്ങൾ ഒരിക്കലും കാൽഷ്യം കാർബണേറ്റ് 2 എന്ന് ഇങ്ങനെ എഴുതരുത്. That is wrong answer. Okay, so put in a bracket that carbonate compound, then you can write the 2. Then carbonate valency 2 we should write under the subscript of calcium. Same valency we can cancel each other. So the formula of calcium carbonate is CaCO3. CaCO3. Okay, we know. Okay, that is CaCO3. Calcium carbonate is CaCO3. That is calcium carbonate CaCO3. Is it clear now? Next example, calcium bicarbonate. Calcium bicarbonate. Calcium, which are the elements is the calcium and bicarbonate. So calcium is Ca, bicarbonate is HCO3. Okay, calcium valency 2, bicarbonate valency 1. Okay, bicarbonate means hydrogen is there. I told last class that. Okay, bicarbonate valency 1. So cross multiply. So calcium bicarbonate. Okay. We can join together and write. So calcium valency 2 we should write under the subscript of bicarbonate. Bicarbonate. So this valency 2 is needed for this hydrogen, carbon and oxygen. So start the bracket and close it to you can write 2. Okay, under the subscript of bicarbonate. Bicarbonate valency 1 we should write under the subscript of calcium. So 1 is not needed to write. So the formula of calcium bicarbonate is CaHCO3 twice. Is it clear? Is it clear? No. Next example, calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Calcium hydroxide. Okay, hydroxide. Calcium symbol Ca, hydroxide. OH. Okay, calcium valency നിങ്ങൾക്ക് ഇവിടെ ഇങ്ങനെ 2 എന്നും OH എന്നും ക്രോസ് മൾട്ടിപ്ലൈ ഒന്നും ചെയ്യേണ്ട. ഫസ്റ്റ് കുറച്ചെണ്ണം നിങ്ങൾ അങ്ങനെ പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യാം. പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ ശേഷം ഒരു മൈൻഡിൽ അത് ഉറപ്പിച്ച് കഴിഞ്ഞ് കഴിഞ്ഞാണെങ്കിൽ യു ക്യാൻ റൈറ്റ് ദിസ് വേ. ഐ വിൽ ടെൽ ദാറ്റ് calcium valency we know what is the valency of calcium? 2. Okay, so that calcium valency we should write where? Under the subscript of OH. So that 2 is needed for this O and H. So 2. Okay, OH twice. Ca, OH there. Valency of OH. Here, valency of OH is 1. So under the subscript of calcium, so we can write calcium hydroxide formula CaOH twice. Okay, from this equation, what do you understand? Calcium valency 2. OH valency, that is hydroxide valency 1. Okay, is it clear now? Then another example, sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide. What is the valence symbol of sodium? Na. Hydroxide OH. Okay, so valency of sodium 1. We should write under the subscript of OH. Okay, then OH valency 1 we should write under the subscript of Na. So the formula of sodium hydroxide is NaOH. Is it clear? This way you can write. Okay. Then calcium oxide. Calcium oxide. Which are the elements present in calcium oxide? Calcium and oxygen. Okay. So calcium and oxygen. What is the valency of calcium? 2. What is the valency of calcium? 2. We should write under the subscript of oxygen. Okay. And what is the valency of oxygen? 2. What is the valency of oxygen? 2. We should write under the subscript of calcium. So same valency we can cancel. So we will get CaO. Okay. So the formula of calcium oxide is CaO. Is it clear now? Then one more example I will tell. Hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide. Okay. Which are the elements present there? Hydrogen. Sulfide is sulfur. Okay. Sulfide is sulfur. Hydrogen valency 1. We should write under the subscript of sulfur. Sulfur valency 2. Sulfur valency 2. We should write under the subscript of hydrogen. So A1 is now needed. So the formula of hydrogen sulfide is H2S. Okay. Then potassium sulfide. Potassium K. Sulfide, that is sulfur. Okay. So valency of potassium is 1. What is the lithium, sodium, potassium, hydrogen, lithium, sodium, potassium? I told that is valency 1. So potassium valency 1. We should write at the subscript of sulfur. Okay. Then sulfur valency. What is the valency of sulfur? 2. We should write under the subscript of potassium. So the formula of potassium sulfide is K2S. Is it clear? What is the valency of potassium sulfide? K2S. Then what is the valency of sodium sulfate? Sodium sulfate. Sodium. Which are the elements there? Sodium is there. Sulfate is there. Sodium sulfate. Okay. Sodium symbol Na. Sulfate SO4. What is the valency of sodium? 1. What is the valency of sodium? 1. We should write under the subscript of sulfate. Okay, so put in a bracket 1. Sulfate valency. Last class I told what is the valency of sulfate? 2. We should write under the subscript of sodium. So the formula of sodium sulfate is Na2SO4. What is the valency of sodium? What is the formula of sodium sulfate? Na2SO4. Okay. So, what about the sodium bisulfate? Bisulfate. Hydrogen is there. So, sodium Na. Bisulfate H. Sulfate part is SO4. Okay. What is the valency of sodium? 1. So, bisulfate put in a bracket and we can write there under the subscript of bisulfate 1. Then bisulfate valency 1. We should write under the subscript of sodium. Cancel each other. So we will get NaHSO4. So the formula of sodium bisulfate is NaHSO4. Is it clear? Next, aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium chloride. Aluminium Al, chloride is Cl. What is the valency of aluminium? 3. What is the valency of aluminium? 3. We should write under the subscript of chlorine. Okay, what is the valency of chlorine? 1. We should write under the subscript of aluminium. So we will get the formula of aluminium chloride AlCl3. Okay, next aluminium oxide. Aluminium oxide. Oxide. Which are the elements? Aluminium is there, oxygen is there. What is the valency of aluminium? 3. We should write under the subscript of oxygen. What is the valency of oxygen? 2, we should write under the subscript of aluminium. So the formula of aluminium oxide is Al2O3. Okay, Al2O3. Is it clear now? Example, zinc oxide. Zinc oxide. Zinc symbol Zn. Oxide, oxygen. Valency of zinc 2, we should write under the subscript of oxygen. Okay, oxygen valency 2, we should write under the subscript of zinc. Cancel each other. So we will get the formula of zinc oxide is ZnO. Okay, ZnO. So valency of zinc is 2, oxygen valency 2. Both are same valency, so we can cancel each other. So we will get the formula of zinc oxide is ZnO. So what is the formula of zinc chloride? Zinc chloride. Zinc Zn. Chloride, that is chlorine. Valency of zinc 2, we should write under the subscript of chlorine. Okay, what is the valency of zinc 2? We should write under the subscript of chlorine. What is the valency of chlorine? 1, we should write under the subscript of zinc. So we will get the formula of zinc chloride is ZnCl2. What is the formula of zinc chloride is ZnCl2. Is it clear now? Then zinc hydroxide. Okay, zinc hydroxide. Zinc Zn. Hydroxide is OH. Okay, zinc. What is the valency of zinc? 2, we should write under the subscript of OH. Under the subscript of OH, hydroxide. And what is the valency of hydroxide? 1, we should write under the subscript of zinc. So we will get the formula of zinc hydroxide is ZnOH twice. What is the valency formula of zinc hydroxide is ZnOH twice. Is it clear now? Next, molecular formula of some gaseous compounds. Okay, gaseous compound. First one is carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide. Carbon. Carbon means C. Dioxide. Dioxide. Okay, oxide. Oxide is oxygen. No. So, oxide. Dioxide. How many oxide is there? 2. Di means 2. So, the formula of, so we can write the, so carbon dioxide formula CO2. So what is the carbon monoxide? What is the formula of carbon monoxide? Carbon C. Monoxide. 1 oxygen. Okay, 1 oxygen. So oxygen. So the formula of carbon monoxide is CO. Next example, sulfur dioxide. What is that? Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur. Yes. Dioxide. How many oxygen? 2 oxygen. Dioxygen. From that word you will get how to write the molecular formula. Okay. Then sulfur trioxide. How we can write sulfur trioxide? Sulfur. Yes. Trioxide. How many oxygen? 3 oxygen. Tri means 3. Trioxide. Okay. Carbon dioxide. 2 oxygen. Carbon monoxide. Sulfur dioxide. Sulfur trioxide. Is it clear? Then nitrogen dioxide. Nitrogen. N. Dioxide. Nitrogen dioxide means 2 oxygen. Nitrogen dioxide means 2 oxygen. The next, nitric oxide. Nitric oxide, right? Nitric oxide means nitrogen monoxide. Okay, nitric oxide means nitrogen monoxide. Nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide. 1 O. Okay, oxygen. No. Nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide. Please write that. Nitric oxide or nitrogen monoxide. Formula NO. Okay, then next, nitrous oxide. Nitrous oxide or dinitrogen oxide. Okay, nitrous oxide or dinitrogen monoxide. Okay, dinitrogen monoxide. So nitrous oxide, dinitrogen. Dinitrogen means how many nitrogen? 2 nitrogen. Okay, N2. Oh, one oxygen, monoxide means one oxygen. So the formula of nitrous oxide is N2O. Nitric oxide means that is nitrogen monoxide. So its formula NO. Is it clear now? And next, one more gas is the ammonia. Okay, ammonia is NH3. Ammonia is a compound. Ammonia is a gaseous compound. So the formula of ammonia is NH3. But ammonium, okay, ammonium. I close my mouth. Ammonium. So its formula NH4. It is an ion. It is an ion, not a compound. Ammonium is an ion. So the formula NH4, its valency 1. Last class I taught. Ammonium valency 1. So ion, that we will study later only. Okay. So ammonium valency 1. Ammonium valency 1. Is it clear? Ammonium valency 1. നമ്മളൊന്ന് mouth open ചെയ്തു. One hydrogen ഓടിപ്പോയി. Okay, so ammonia, that is NH3. Ammonia is a compound, but ammonium is a ion, so it's valency 1. So how to write ammonium hydroxide? How to write the formula of ammonium hydroxide? Ammonium NH4 hydroxide OH. Okay, ammonium hydroxide. Ammonium valency 1, we should write under the subscript of OH. Hydroxide valency 1, we should write under the subscript of NH4. Same valency, we can cancel each other. So we will get the formula NH4OH. Ammonium hydroxide formula NH4OH, but ammonia formula NH3. Is it clear now? Dear children, in your textbook, some more example is there. Please do it self. Okay. Please do it that. If you have any doubt is there, you can call me or you can send message. Thank you. Bye-bye.